Hello there, I'm attorney Kelly Longtin, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about important things that you need to know about life insurance in order to enhance your estate plan. Now, there's creative uses for life insurance, and according to a new study, a record high number of American adults, approximately 102 million, either do not have life insurance or do not have enough coverage. Misunderstandings about how much life insurance costs and what type to purchase are the largest barriers to purchasing a policy. Even among those with the life insurance policy, there are knowledge gaps about how it can be used to meet their financial and estate planning goals. There are two types of life insurance for estate planning. About half of US adults, about 52%, report having life insurance coverage. 42% acknowledge a coverage gap, while 37% say they intend to purchase coverage in the next year. You may wonder where you fall on a life insurance continuum. There are two types of life insurance to consider when engaging in estate planning. There's term life insurance, which pays out a death benefit if you pass away during the policy's term. That's typically 10 to 30 years. Then we have whole life insurance, which remains in effect for the entirety of your life and can build cash value over time. Several variations exist within these two types of policies, each providing different benefits at different price points. Life insurance policies designed to meet specific purposes, such as those that cover loan balances and final expenses, and those that insure two lives, for example, a first to die and second to die policies, are also available. Cash value is the portion of a life insurance policy that accumulates over time and may be available to the policyholder to withdraw or borrow against during their lifetime. There are life insurance perks that you might not know about. On the surface, life insurance is a straightforward financial product. You pay the premiums in exchange for a tax-free cash benefit that the insurance company pays to your loved ones after you pass away. Most people who buy life insurance do so because they have financial dependence. However, life insurance policies can also provide important benefits to the policyholder. From married couples with kids to couples without children, empty nesters, retirees, business owners, and investors, life insurance can provide several perks that you may not have thought about. Some creative ways that life insurance can fit into your estate plan is first to fund your trust. So when you pass away, you can make the trust a beneficiary, and all of those proceeds would be payable to the trust. So whether you're providing for a spouse or children or a special needs beneficiary, you can make sure that those funds are funneled into your trust so you have liquid cash in order to be available for those beneficiaries. You can use life insurance to help pay taxes and any debts after you've passed away, or if there's any estate tax issues. You can use life insurance to equalize inheritances. So the death benefit of a life insurance policy can be used to help equalize the inheritance for multiple heirs when you would like to give each beneficiary equal value, but of assets that you do not want to liquidate. So for example, a family business, a home, or a cottage, to truly make things even. For example, if one child wants to keep the family vacation home and the other wants to sell it, you can gift the home to the former and buy a life insurance policy equal to the home's value to benefit the latter. Another example is if you want to give your family business to a child who works in this business but doesn't have assets or insufficient assets to give your other children. A life insurance policy can give an equalized inheritance to those other children. You can use life insurance to make philanthropic donations, and you can use life insurance to pay final, burial, and funeral expenses. Life insurance, like estate planning, is for everyone, no matter your stage of life or circumstances. Adding life insurance to your estate plan can give you and your loved ones flexibility to deal with expected and unexpected expenses in the future. If you're one of the more than 100 million Americans facing a life insurance coverage gap, then you want to reach out to a qualified estate planning attorney so they can meet with you and discuss and craft a plan to bridge and gap that policy that fits your needs, situation, and budget. So you want to talk to your estate planning attorney as well as your other trusted advisors. I want to thank you for watching. I'm Attorney Kelly Longtin. Please like and subscribe our page below and hit the notification button so you can be alerted when we post some new videos regarding estate planning.